got rum round. Other than that, when jump to wall and circle them ends and mash up him head. Who see them free?
From eat me up, me grab a BOA account and just a JP it up. FedEx ship it card a easy reach ya, not a scamming over music.
We feel pain but only God he knows. Not for listen my thing and not for click repost. Got my skull selling God, yeah, just come.
Anyway, them I go get it from my kitchen on my side. Designer when me rock, I see my jewelry, them I shine. Bad bitch off in me type, she suck the cocky every night. I see them
Me like the clip tall like goalpost. Me carry them here in a church and courthouse. These guys in a boat, school and work clothes. Bad.
And I know a scamming on my life and me can't refrain. A big Benz man who wanna work, no crane. Can't work for no boss, cause me can't go to boy, dog.
That them a blood clot me. St. James at the game where you teach. On the line we no sleep for your bleach.
Hosanna, God, she call me the GodFada. Rifle a wave like a bandana. Anything on my drop can't get.
In the mood for a little bit. Bad bitch a slugging on my room for a little brick. Yeah, talking the bitch dog, something like Tetris. Every other new month.
When dancehall had like its original traditional sound, it seemed to me like that's when it was a lot of crossing over happening.
The difference, when it's an alternative to a market, it's easier to get accepted because it's different, it's fresh. That was the authentic sound that America knows. That's the Caribbean thing. Now it's hybrid thing. It fused with similarity of the American sound. So sometimes it does sound like this is something from around here already. But back in the days, from your ear the punani rhythm and your ear the slanting rhythm, you know, oh, that's the Caribbean vibes. Identity and authenticity. It's a good thing to keep in your genes. So that's the problem with the music. Still good, but it sounds like other things now.
American people can kind of relate to it a little bit better because it does sound more familiar.
Yeah, they can relate to it, but they don't gravitate to it as much because it seemed like something that they had already. It's not a new meal. It's familiar, but it's not that impacting as the original hardcore sound. If you notice, nobody has ever sampled a trap dancehall. The last big music sample out of Jamaica is Nicki Minaj sampling the Diwali rhythm. And that's 22-year-old. Every music that been sampled is had to be something 15 or 20 years ago. Because it's like the recent sounds are not that attractive or impacting to the international community.